We are now standing in front of what is now the central lake, because there are 3 lakes in UCD, the lower lake, this central lake here, and then the upper lake. This central lake, as far as I am aware, was built as a firefighting resource in case of emergency. That was before the water tower was built in the 1970s. Well, the main lake here now is mostly, you've got ducks, you've got the mallard duck, and there's a lot of seagulls as well. But the swans are really the main wildlife now. For the last good few years, they've been breeding up on the lake. There's also a lot of fish in the lake now. Quite often, during the summer particularly, you'll see cormorant. The fish that were here, we took some of those and transferred some of those up into the upper lake. And now in the upper lake, you'll see herons. The students love it here. They love sitting out here, just watching the birds and everything going by. And students get really invested in the cygnets when the cygnets are newly born and throughout the season. It's about a metre, 1.2 metre deep, and there is very little weed in it. There's a concrete base, so there's very little weed. So there's not an awful lot for the swans to live on. Every day they're fed. They're fed over in a box over in the corner, so you'll see them getting fed every single day with food that's supplied by the vet school. So it's very important that they're fed, and particularly the cygnets when the cygnets are born.